Alright, well, they stocked the pond today with golden trout, not to be confused with the native golden trout of California. These are rainbow trout that look like bananas. And as you can see, when the DNR notifies that they stock trout, the place gets packed. Is what it is. So out there underneath my bobber, I got a white trout magnet. On here, I got a golden maroon spoon. We'll wait and see what we get. The fellas over in that corner, since I've been here, brought in like 4 or 5. So they're here. They're out and about. Alright, got a fish. Yeah, a little crappie. Oh. What? 4 inches, 5 inches maybe? That little guy. There he goes. Alright, well that's gone. That's good. Get it back out there, see if we can either get a bigger one or get a trout. Wait and see. Oh, we got another crappie. Smidge on the bigger side. That's good. Woohoo! There we go. Decent sized crappie here. Oh, there we go. We got 2 crappie on the day. Got another crappie. Oh, he swallowed that one. Oh, not too bad. We can get that out. Yep, there he goes. Three crappie on the day. Alright, well, go. Hopefully we land them. My first golden trout ever, if I can. There, we got one. Finally got one after 4 years. Whoo, look at that. Look at that, barely hooked them. Well, there you have it, folks. A West Virginia. Oh, shit. Gotcha. West Virginia golden trout. All right. What do I have? Not get my camera on in time, but here is a regular trout that they stock with these golden trout. God damn. This one's not coming off. Pretty good. There you go. Very next cast. Got regular trout here. We're gonna just all right. So here's your difference. Golden trout, still rainbow, regular rainbow. There's your differences. Got another little guy. Another little crappie, I believe. Man, it's been like 15 minutes and all of a sudden. Oh, so this is my little lure I'm using. It's caught all these fish. A little seaweed on it. It's a little rooster tail. But instead of one single blade, it's got this double blade here. Used it to catch fish from New York, New Mexico, Colorado, Wisconsin, West Virginia, Ohio, Colorado. You don't need a lot of speed to spin the blade. A little retrieve. That blade spins pretty good. Oops. Except for when it's caught on line like that. There you go. That's better. Yep. You come out here tomorrow morning. It's supposed to rain overnight. And winds are supposed to be 10 to 15 all day tomorrow.